Today we're going to the 13th annual Garlic Festival at the Triple T Ranch here in Cochise County because who doesn't like garlic? You like garlic.
I love garlic, and this is local. It's only about 40 minutes from us, and we've never been, so...
Yeah, local is... 40 minutes qualifies as local where we are.
Yep.
You're just going to hold down the fort, right, bud? You're going to hold down the fort? Are you going to help hold down the fort, Pepper?
Because that rough might come back, Dad.
Yeah. Okay.
Cochise Family Farm is one of the farms I heard that you can go and pick like blackberries and stuff.
Ooh, there you go. This is a nice setting back here. Look at all these big boulders.
It's beautiful.
I think this is the Texas Canyon area.
It smells good.
All the different incenses.
Oh, wow. Those are cool.
There's no entrance fee here, but they do ask for a $5 donation for wounded warriors. So, of course, we gave, and I think everybody here is.
Raffle?
Raffle?
Raffle. I feel like a winner. Do you feel like a winner?
Maybe. We'll find out.
So the Triple T is like a guest ranch.
It's a guest ranch. You can stay in some of these houses. They have a dining room, a saloon. You can stay in your RV. I think there's an RV park. But we've never been here, so it looks really cute. One corn and one ice cream.
One roasted corn with garlic butter?
Yes.
The ice cream I'm afraid is still just fell apart.
Okay, so we'll come back after.
It's good. It's not super garlicky, but I love grilled corn. And put some butter on it with even just a hint of garlic. Yeah, it's good.
So there's way more than garlic here. But where there is garlic, you see the line. And this is the line.
I believe so, yes. Now that I've been saying about the salt this whole time.
Burger. Why don't we go out there? Ice cream's really good. For the most part, this was a really fun experience. Lots of stuff here. I guess my only real complaint is for a garlic festival. I kind of wish there was more garlic. There's lots of different things. I mean, this is garlic ice cream, but there was like one little area where all the garlic was, and everybody was trying to get through that area, so it was really crowded. It took us like 45 minutes to get through it. So I wish there was more garlic at a garlic festival. But that said, there was a lot of cool stuff here. I've never had garlic ice cream before, and it's really good.
So we had garlic butter corn,
Garlic butter corn.
garlic burger.
There was garlic in that burger?
It was a garlic burger.
I didn't really taste the garlic.
I
Okay,
did.
garlic burger.
Garlic ice cream.
Yes.
And then we bought garlic by the pound, and we bought garlic skates.
I think we might use that tomorrow for lunch.
And it rained,
And we got rain.
which felt lovely.
As you can see, a little wet, but you know, it's Arizona, so we'll take any rain we can get. Okay, let's go home.
step 1 has been accomplished. Source delicious garlic type food from the festival yesterday. So step 2 is eat delicious garlic food. And so that's what I'm gonna make now. We're gonna do a pasta with ramps, which I'll explain what ramps are in a second in case you didn't know, and some fresh garlic bread. And using the Cochise Gold garlic that we got, and the ramps that we got. The ramps, if you didn't know what ramps are, they are the flour stalk coming off of garlic. You can also get onion scapes. They're the same thing. So this comes off, the garlic's underground, it's the root, and this comes up, and this is a flower bud. So before it actually blooms, you can eat this, and it's a very mild, delicious, garlicky flavor. And we love it with pasta. So. So I already chopped up 1 whole head of this Cochise Gold garlic right here, and I've been softening a stick of butter. And so now, garlic into the butter. This will be for the garlic bread here in a little bit. A little bit of salt and pepper. And just mix that all together. So we're ready to spread it on the bread here in a bit. The end of the ramps can get kind of woody. You don't really want to eat that part. And I also chopped up a shallot. Give a little more flavor to the pasta. Pasta's al dente. I'm gonna grab some pasta water to add later when I make the sauce. Drain the pasta. I didn't make the stove. Some olive oil. And now we can get the shallot that I diced up and all the ramps in there. These are some gluten-free rolls we keep in the freezer. I defrosted them and put them in the air fryer for a couple minutes just so that they weren't frozen in the center. Now, we're gonna make garlic bread. Butter, garlic, salt and pepper. I did not skimp. Whole head of garlic, whole stick of butter. I'm gonna be putting Parmesan cheese on Steve's, but since I can't do the cheese and I'm already cheating with the butter, we're just gonna do mine without. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer. Can I do all of them at the same time? I probably can. So let's get the Parmesan peelers first. Okay, those frying. And we'll check on it. These are almost done. Taste one of these suckers. Give it a little bit longer, and a little bit of the pasta water. Help them steam a bit. Not gonna let any of that good stuff go to waste.
It smells amazing in here, by the way. Amazing.
That looks pretty amazing, right?
That looks really good.
We just need to plate up. I gave you the spoon with the butter left on it. Okay. And that is lunch.
What do you call it?
Ramp pasta.
Ramp pasta. Okay.
There's more ramps than pasta in this, most of it. But that's how we like it, because we're going to have bread too. Decadent garlic bread.
You look like you're enjoying it.
Gluten-free.
Garlic bread.
So I don't get to get garlic. The only time I have garlic bread is when I make it. And I haven't made it in 6 months, a year, maybe. That is really, really good. Decadent.
I think Pepper wants to try.
Nope.
No.
This is for Mama.
You can give Courtney virtually any ingredient. Doesn't matter. Anything under the sun. If you can eat it, just give it to her. Come back in, I don't know, 30 minutes, maybe an hour, and you're going to get the most delicious meal using that ingredient that you've ever had. I don't care what it is. Happened to be garlic this time because garlic is delicious anyway, but this is a cook. This is a cook. If I wasn't married to Courtney, I'd be going to Taco Bell every day. And I'm not kidding.
Thank you.
Did you like it too?
Oh yeah,
Did
it's
you
delicious.
like it?
Yes, I love it. The garlic bread was amazing. And I love ramps and scapes. So if you ever see ramps or scapes, they're only really out in the spring, early summer. But buy them if you find them, because just mixing them with pasta, some butter. You could also like chop them really, really finely and make garlic bread with them or something like that. It's much milder than
Thanks for shaking, bud.
regular garlic or regular onions, but delicious.
It was so good.
Are you gonna run away because we smell like garlic now?
Hey, thanks.
No, you're not gonna run away because we smell like garlic.
Yeah, no one's kissing us tonight, but we also don't go out looking for kisses from strangers, so it's fine. I think, yeah, I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this.
Now for the rest of cleanup.
I'm pretty sure it's rained every day for like the last month. Or close.
At least since we got back from Bisbee. But it means that it drops the temp. It just went from 85 outside to 70 something outside, which I'm okay with. Now all the windows are open. Thank you.
A little wet out here. I don't think I'm sitting there.
No.
I hear a coyote out there. All right, well, that's happy hour, so that means the day is drawing to a close before dinner. I have my gin and tonic right here. It's delicious. Well, welcome to the couch. Welcome to the couch. Okay, any parting words about garlic? Because that was the theme of the video.
Yum. And if you're in the area, July, highly recommend the garlic festival.
I said triple T twice, but I meant to say triangle T. It was at the triangle T, not the triple T. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for this video. And enjoy our beverages, then enjoy some dinner. Hopefully not get washed out.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Really, that's just hitting Mama to get her to pet me more.